Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and tutor ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang circumference of a circle. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Imagine this. Ang biggest recorded pizza made sa Philippines ay from El Buonos. Ang pizza nila ay may diameter of 65 inches and it can feed 150 to 200 people. Grabe, ang laki! Question time. If the diameter of the pizza is 65 inches, ano kaya ang circumference ng pizza from El Buonos? To answer our question, we have to review some parts of the circle. First is the diameter. The diameter is a line from one end of the circle to the other that passes the center of the circle. For example, this shows the diameter and this also shows the diameter. If we measure these three lines, they would be equal in length. The diameter is equal to twice the radius, or diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. Next, let's talk about the radius. The radius is any line from the center to any point on the outer line. And we say any line because this can also be the radius. The radius is equal to half of the diameter, or radius is equal to diameter over 2. And finally, ang circumference. It is the length of the whole circle or the perimeter of the circle. Ang tanong kanina, if the diameter of the pizza is 65 inches, ano kaya ang circumference ng pizza from El Buonos? Ngayon na natutunan na natin kung ano ang diameter, ano kaya ang circumference? If the given is the diameter, like our pizza, we can solve for the circumference with this formula. If the given is the radius, then we can solve for the circumference with this formula. Pero ano nga ba yung sign na nakikita natin? That is called pi. What is pi? Parang pizza Bible like our example earlier? Nope, it's not. So ang pi ay isang special number with a value of 3.14. Ito lagi ang value niya and it will never change. So balikan natin yung mga formula kanina. If the given is the diameter, again like our pizza, we can solve for the circumference by multiplying pi with the diameter or 3.14 times the diameter. If the given is the radius, we can solve for the circumference by multiplying pi with 2r or 3.14 times 2r. Now that we have learned our concepts, we can now answer and solve our question earlier. Step 1, write the given. We already know that pi is equal to 3.14 and we have a given of 65 inches as our diameter. Step 2, write the formula. Again, circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Step 3, plug the values into the equation. So that's 3.14 times 65. Then, perform the operation. If we multiply 3.14 and 65, we will get 204.1 inches. And that is our final answer. Let's go back to our question earlier. If the diameter of the pizza is 65 inches, what is the circumference of the pizza? The circumference is 204.1 inches. Now, let's apply what we learned. Let's solve for the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 12.5 meters. Tandaan, ito ang formula natin. You may pause the video and solve, then you can play again to see the final answer. Our final answer is 39.25 meters. This time, let's solve for the circumference of a circle with a radius of 7 centimeters. Tandaan, ito ang formula. You may pause the video and solve on your own, then play again to see the final answer. Okay, ready ka na ba? Dahil wala tayong example kanina ng radius, I'll explain briefly how we'll get the answer. First, since our formula has 2r, we have to multiply the given radius first. So 2 times 7 equals 14. Now, we can multiply pi times 14 and our final answer is 43.96 centimeters. Good job! You finished watching our video about the circumference of a circle from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!